Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet Martin Rushwaya is imaged at the center of the ZANU-PF Manicaland ED 2030 push. Summit amashuka ari kuda panguva inochonekwa kunzi Martin Rushwaya ari implicated in the anti-Chiwenga agenda iri kuonekwa kunzi irida kusadana VP Constantino Chiwenga to succeed the Zimbabwean president. Wasonda mnangagwa ndobva subscribe oda ikotamba bell icon. Tivira munozeri mubudanyo kwa muchinzi. A controversial agenda to extend President mnangagwaZim beyond current constitutional limits. In a move, some insiders view as a part of a broader strategy to contain VP Constantino Chiwenga's succession ambitions. The revival of the ED 2030 agenda comes as factional battles once again dominate the ruling party, with mnangagwa's loyalists rallying behind constitutional amendments to secure his long-term hold on power, while Chiwenga's allies quietly maneuver for a leadership transition. Over the last 2 weeks, ZANU-PF structures in Manicaland have been convening meetings, producing 2 headline resolutions: support for extending mnangagwa's tenure beyond 2030 and adopting a hardline stance on drug and substance abuse. Provincial Chairman Tawanda Mukhodza described the resolutions as grassroots-driven. The people's desire that President Mnangagwa remain in office beyond 2030 and are rallying for the necessary constitutional amendments to facilitate this. As a party, we must respect the will of the people, he said. To consolidate these resolutions, an inter-district conference is scheduled for next week. Rushwaya, alongside ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs PANECHAMISA, will supervise the process, for which NACHAMISA is tasked with shaping the legal framework for possible constitutional amendments. Rushwaya's involvement is seen as politically sensitive, given his close proximity to Mnangagwa and his growing influence in state structures. But beyond the logistics, the political stakes remain high. Rushwaya's direct involvement in Manicaland's ED 2030 resolutions has intensified speculation that Mnangagwa is deploying trusted lieutenants to weaken Chiwenga's path to succession. Whether other provinces fall in line or fracture along factional lines will be reviewed in Mutare next month. Ndoma developments aripo panguva ine zvinopa kunzi Martin Rushwaya arimo munhau iyi yekutopla VP Constantino Chiwenga. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakume section medu dzamafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.